इंग्लिश लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस में आज हम सुनेंगे एक न्यू स्टोरी। ये स्टोरी इंग्लिश में होगी, आपको इसे सुनना है और फिर टेस्ट देना है, जिससे पता चलेगा कि आप कितने अच्छे से सुन पाए, समझ पाए। ये स्टोरी आपके सामने इंग्लिश में लिखी भी आएगी और ऑडियो में सुनाई भी जाएगी, ताकि आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस और लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस दोनों हो सकें। लेकिन टेस्ट से पहले ये स्क्रीन से हटा दी जाएगी, सो आपको स्टोरी बहुत ध्यान से सुननी है। इस वीडियो के एंड में आपको टेस्ट के आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे, सो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि आपके कितने आंसर्स करेक्ट हुए। तो देखते हैं आज की स्टोरी।
In a small stream lived 3 fishes. Each fish was of a different color, red, blue, and yellow, yet nothing could separate them. One day, the blue fish was swimming close to the bank and overheard the fishermen talk. "Oh, it is time to fish in the stream. The fishes from the river would have swum here for plenty of food. Let's go fishing tomorrow." The worried blue fish swam as quickly as it could to its other 2 friends. "Listen, listen, I just overheard the fishermen talk. They are planning to catch fish in this stream tomorrow. We must swim to the safety of the river for tomorrow." "Oh, that's all right. They wouldn't catch me as I am too quick for them. Also, we have all the food we need here," said the red fish. "But we should go just for a day," said the blue fish. "I agree with the blue fish. This is home, but we need to stay safe," said the yellow fish. They tried to convince their friend, but there was no turning. The next morning, the fishermen cast their net and caught as many fishes as they could. Some were green, some were orange, some were white, and some were multicolored, and among them was a red fish. "What a catch!" called out the fisherman after the long day. Sadness overtook the yellow fish and the blue fish as they returned to see that their friend had been caught.
सो ये थी हमारी इंग्लिश स्टोरी और अब शुरू करते हैं टेस्ट।
Where did the 3 fishes live? A. In a river. B. In the sea. C. In a small stream. D. In an aquarium. Which fish heard the fishermen talking? A. Blue fish. B. Yellow fish. C. Green fish. D. Red fish. As per the fisherman, the fishes from the river would have swum here for dash. A. Food. B. Water. C. Herbs. D. None of these. The fisherman said, "Let's go fishing dash." A. Yesterday. B. Overmorrow. C. Ere yesterday. D. Tomorrow. What was the blue fish's condition after hearing the fisherman? A. It was happy. B. It was sad. C. It was angry. D. It was worried. The blue fish suggested leaving for dash. A. 1 day. B. 2 days. C. 3 days. D. 4 days. Who agreed with the blue fish? A. Yellow fish. B. Red fish. C. Green fish. D. Orange fish. The next day, the fisherman caught the dash. A. Blue fish. B. Yellow fish. C. Red fish. D. Grey fish. What did the fisherman say after catching the red fish? A. What a fish! B. What a catch! C. Oh hell! D. What's up? How did the blue and yellow fish feel when they got to know about the red fish? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Happy. D. All of the above.
अब बारी है आंसर्स की, लेकिन आंसर्स देखने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर आप बिल्कुल शुरू से इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, सारे ग्रामर कॉन्सेप्ट्स को इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं, तो मेरा फुल स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। उसमें मैंने बहुत ही मजेदार तरीके से एक वेब सीरीज की तरह इंग्लिश सिखाई है। हंसते हंसाते आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी आ जाएगी। इसमें आपको मिलेंगे 60 से ज्यादा वीडियो लेसन्स, नोट्स मिलेंगे, क्विजेस मिलेंगे, प्रैक्टिस ग्रुप होगा जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स ऑडियो और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और कोर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा। इसे ज्वाइन करने का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है या फिर आप awwalenglish.com पर भी जा सकते हैं। अगर होना है सफल तो फॉलो अव्वल।